What's going on? So today we got a video from Deputy Daniels, and the title of the video is Dollar General Employee Arrested at Work. Man, come on, let's get to it, man.
Right now, she asked her if she recalled the dollar amount that she's taking, so that's what she's working on.
She's writing a statement, so I know you guys want to talk. You have to talk to her, obviously. But Can you do it 2 minutes so she can write me the statement? Because I'm going to need a written statement from her as well.
Okay.
For the company. We have the video and we have all the transactions already ready for you. We have all the videos together. So all you do is when you talk to her and you decide what we're going to do. Just 2 more minutes. She's writing it down.
All right.
She's sitting right there. Her name's Leishwa. Excuse me, I'll get out of the way.
Do you need me in there with you? Or?
It's kind of packed. We'll talk to her real quick and then we'll talk to you.
Hi, Leisha. Is that how you say your name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My name is Officer Bittner. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Yeah, other than being in the LP office, right?
Not good, but...
Okay. Your managers kind of briefed us a little bit about what happened, okay? So because of what they said, because we're here in a closed room, I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? Before I do that, I'd like to advise you of your rights, okay? So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used in court as evidence against you. You are entitled to talk to an attorney now and have him present now or at any time during questioning, okay? If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be... Knowing all of your rights, do you wish to talk to us at this time?
I'll talk to the staff and get an answer. They're just reporting it to us, and I'll try to...
Yeah, she talked to me, but since he read that, I know I've seen everywhere that they read it when they're taking you to tail. So
not necessarily. So we, yeah, it's I'll
I think
explain
I need
it.
to stop watching.
So essentially, we read that anytime that there is an allegation of a crime, and when law enforcement asks you direct questions in terms of your involvement in that crime. Okay.
All right.
Do you have her information?
$6.
What do you mean?
Her name and date of birth?
Her name is Leishwa.
I don't have...
I don't know her name. She told me she was sending her money at one point.
Yes.
So her mom's got cancer. She's having help her.
I would like to ask you some questions about your involvement in this whole thing. So, without further ado, can you tell me what happened?
I did some refunds.
Okay.
Without having a customer here and
Okay.
having the merchandise.
Mm-hmm.
My birth mother, she's going through it right now.
Mm-hmm.
Her insurance won't cover all of her medicine and the stuff that she needs.
Okay.
So she asked for help, and me being 21, I didn't work for much. This past year, I was trying to help her. I know it wasn't the right decision. I told them I'm willing to give back the money. I was just trying to help them. It wasn't the right thing. I know it was really stupid because I could lost my job and go to jail. But I'm trying to help my mom.
I can understand that. It's got to be really hard on you.
It is. But that still don't... There was no need. I couldn't talk or said something. I'm just embarrassed.
She said how long she's been doing it.
We didn't get that far because I didn't want them to leave and I didn't want her to, to start.
And she admitted right away.
It's over the felony limit. Once you're over 750, it's felony no matter what. It doesn't matter if it's 10,000 or 100,000, it's over 750. But what's more beneficial is the quantity.
You hear that? Once it's over 750, felony. So you might as well hit him. Hit him for the 100,000. No, I'm playing. Don't do that. Do not do that. Okay? Shouldn't do it at all. It's sad. Honestly, this is my take on it, right? Ladies got a lot of power. Okay? They got a lot of power in this world. And there's guys will do anything for, women that, if they're giving them a little attention and all that stuff, making them feel good or whatever, right? So, obviously, this is a pretty looking girl, right? You know what I'm saying? This is, she's not ugly, but she could easily go down there, go get her a sugar daddy or something that's paying them real dollars, you know what I'm saying, versus jeopardizing your job like this, you know what I'm saying? But Gotta use your brain, ladies. Gotta use your brain. I'm trying to put you on some game. And I'm not saying you gotta bust it open and all. I'm not even saying that. You know what I'm saying? You gonna get you an older guy that maybe he just want to go to dinner. He just need some quality time or something. You know what I mean? Trying to put y'all on, ladies.
Times that she did it, because that shows, everyone can argue in court that I had a lapse of judgment in 1 week moment, but to repeatedly show a pattern is how you take it.
She's
So
seen the patterns, so she knows exactly more or less.
30
how many transactions.
receipts. We have 30 receipts. I think.
over how much time?
About 2 months.
Month. Don't
Yeah,
the month.
so
Just a month? Just
No,
a month.
that's
3 weeks.
I missed a week in between, so it's a little scattered. But it's over the course of like 3 weeks.
yeah.
How long have you been doing that?
I said I did it for like a week.
A week. Okay. If you had to guess how much money you were able to,
I kind of guessed like $1,000.
about $1,000.
Yeah.
Okay. You obviously knew that was wrong. It's theft, right? Okay. You know, it's a crime in the United States. I understand you're trying to help mom and everything, but
That was stupid, I know.
we all have lapses of judgment, right? It's not the end of the world, right?
I know, but that was really stupid.
It was stupid, okay?
Could ask for
But-
maybe extra shits or something, but was still
Yeah.
wasn't gonna be enough.
But listen, no matter what happens today, it doesn't define you, okay? It's just another part of you, okay? So, I understand you're upset, right? Makes sense. You were trying to help your mom. You understand that you did something wrong.
Well, how about not getting your nails done if you're trying to help your mom? Because your nails look good. You know what I'm saying? I mean, they're a little too long for my liking or whatever, but it's not about me. It's about, the ladies. You know what I'm saying? But them nails look fresh to me, though. You know what I'm saying? The way you know that they not fresh is when you start seeing that little space in between when the real nail is growing and yeah. So they look good to me. They look on point. Can't be struggling that bad.
Okay. All right. So I have a statement form, okay? You're not obligated to fill it out, but it would help me do my job if you provided us a statement. Would you be willing to write a statement for me? Okay.
I didn't want to go to jail.
So I'm going to have you start on this line right here, okay? Go ahead and put your
You
phone
going
number
to jail.
right
That's
there.
why you skipped
And
that
then start
statement
on,
that you just said.
phone number and address, excuse me. Start on that line and just tell me exactly what you told me, okay? The process that you took to do the refunds, about how much you took, and that kind of stuff, okay?
She looks like a very nice young lady. There's no way. There's no way that I wouldn't have hired her.
It's very possible she is that good. She's just never seen what the outcome of something like this can be. So she might go through this and never do it again.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't know.
This may fix it.
But we'll know after this one.
Yeah.
If we get another call like this in the future where she's working a job and doing the same thing, then that's when you know that she's showing a true color there. If it's just this time and this shakes her up and she never does it again,
Yeah, but it's hard to get a job with theft on your thing. Nobody don't want to
So
thief,
obviously,
man.
you broke the law, right? Unfortunately, the store does want to prosecute for the theft of the money. Okay. So that does mean that you will be going to jail today. However, okay, it is a crime in which there will be a bond that you can post. Okay. Do you have any family here local? Okay. So you'll receive a bond amount. I don't know what that amount is going to be just yet, okay? But the way the process is going to work is that we're going to take you up to Leesburg Police Department, okay? Downtown Leesburg, okay? We'll do initial booking paperwork, all right? Then I'll take you up to the county jail. So again, the theft of anywhere from $800 to $1,000 is kind of a big deal, okay? But it's not the end of the world, okay? You gonna cooperate?
Yes, sir.
Everything's gonna be okay. I'll have you stand up for me.
2 months
Take your
probation.
phone.
That's how much she gonna get. Watch.
Just turn around. Just gonna real quick pat down. Okay. Nothing in your shirt, in your bra, nothing like that, okay? Alright, go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Palms together like you're
She
gonna
need to
pray.
become
okay?
a bartender or something.
Really
She
thin
make
wrists
good money
there.
with that.
It's fine.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah, she need to become a bartender.
Go. Watch your head and have a seat, okay?
She was charged with grand theft and scheme to defraud after stealing nearly $1,000 using fake refunds. Despite confessing and police finding hundreds of dollars in her bag, she said she only did it to help family. But unfortunately, intent does not erase accountability. Want more body cam footage like this? Hit subscribe. We upload new cases every
All right. That ain't too bad. I think the officer did a great job. You know what I'm saying? Talking to her real nice, real sweet. Tough situation, man. But can't risk your job like that. That's a felony, man. Golly. Anyway, I think he did. I think he gets a 4. I think he gets a 4. He was talking to her real nice. They did their job. You know, they didn't really try to embarrass her and all that type of stuff. And, you know, and it also helped because of the way she was acting as well. I mean, she was cooperative. She was talking polite. She was, you know, so things like that always help. You know, when they get the hooting and hollering and this and that and yada, yada. Oh, fuck you. That, you racist. You white crack. What? When they get to all of that, that's when it's going to go down south, man. It's going to go real bad, you know. So, you know, she did her part. She was, you know, she admitted whatever. Take your punishment. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? So you let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below. And I'll catch you in the next video. All right.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.